In this whiteboard presentation by O2 Defense, we're going to talk about something very important. Why you should not use UV to purify your air. To be clear, O2 Defense is a full-service air purification company. As we explain on our website, we are not limited to any single air purification method, but rather employ a variety of techniques, highly recommend using a combination of these methods, and even include UV in a list of recommended surface cleaning techniques. This is clear here in this actual excerpt from o2def.com, where we explain how UV is very effective for what it is designed for. But what about the big claims coming from UV sellers and manufacturers? The truth is, these companies are banking on the consumer to not do their research to find out how misleading and plain false these claims actually are. Here are examples of some of these very claims, depicting mold, odors, and viruses instantly destroyed, producing clean air. Many desktop UV products claim to pull in polluted air and continually purify it. Sadly, even HVAC contractors place full-page ads touting the notion that UV lights continually purify the air in your entire home. These are the very people we are supposed to believe to be educated and trustworthy when it comes to air quality. So what are we really to believe regarding these lofty claims? The FDA clearly states that even the strongest UV radiation can only inactivate a virus if the virus is directly exposed to the radiation. Also, that many UV products for the home are low dose and take a long time to be effective, and there have even been many reports of injuries from improper use. So what does this mean regarding typical UV claims? This is a pretty standard air handler. It's equipped with two sections of UV lights where the arrows indicate the airflow. With a starting point of when a particle of air enters the airstream and passes through the first section, the particle spends approximately 0.18 seconds exposed to the UV radiation. After then traversing a second section of lights, the particle has now spent a total of 0.35 seconds exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Let's take a quick look at the science. The American Journal of Infection Control found that the new coronavirus takes up to 9 minutes of exposure to completely inactivate it in liquid cultures. Another study found that even intense UV frequencies take up to 30 seconds of direct exposure to destroy levels of 99% of the virus. At this point, you can begin to see why these companies flood the internet with flashy marketing designed to distract, because the real numbers just don't add up. If most UV lights need up to 9 minutes to neutralize a virus, then how can products like this stop them in just 0.35 seconds? There is no answer as to how they can, because they flat out can't. Homes equipped with UV lights alone, in which viruses spend approximately 0.35 seconds in the airstream, only succeed in spreading harmful germs from room to room. This is in stark contrast to houses equipped with methods like cascade ionization that continually disinfects the entire house. This is explained in more detail in our previous whiteboard video. Now, let's weigh these big claims against the actual facts we learned. UV kills 99% of germs in 9 minutes. The FDA lists several safety hazards. UV requires regular and costly bulb replacements, and UV does not purify air. Case in point. This is an actual filter pulled from an air handler equipped with UV. The UV light effectively eliminated the system's ability to purify, while actually causing indoor air pollution. Does this mean UV has no place in purification? No. As we listed on our website, UV is an extremely useful tool in applications it was designed for, and only in the hands of trained professionals. So thank you for joining this week's whiteboard presentation, Why You Should Not Use UV to Purify Your Air. We encourage you to visit o2def.com to learn more honest ways to purify and safeguard the air you breathe.